Make money online for free. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you the best work from home with no money to start. Now this video is about affiliate marketing at zero cost. So just in case if you are not interested in affiliate marketing or something, you are welcome to skip the video, or if you are interested, you can continue watching this video because this video has the potential to change your life for the better. Okay then. Now, if you're serious to make money online, watch this short presentation till the end because you are surely in for a surprise. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Below is what we'll cover in this video. The basic things required to make money online. A legitimate program that provides it all, of course for free. Why to consider it and how to start with it right away. Now, the whole idea behind making money online is to make a passive and reliable income, to quit your day job, have time and money to do what you really want to do in your life, to spend time with your family, to pursue your hobbies and interests, whatever, right? So, what are the core essentials to make real money on the internet? You'll always need these four things. Without these four essentials, you'll keep struggling to make money online and most probably fail. You'll need training, support, tools, and services needed for your online business to run properly. So, where will you find these four essential things ideally on one platform and stop jumping from one place to another place for all the things you need? That too, with completeness and without anything left out for you to figure out yourself. That's what happens when you have to figure out everything yourself, and that's what was happening to me. So, I'm going to suggest you a time tested world class program that will give you a head start in your online venture. And guess what? You can start at zero cost. Yes, absolutely free. Click on the link in the description below this video, which will open a website. Over there, sign up for a free starter account. Set up your account by filling in your details and gain full access to all the tools and also get access to all the training right away. This program which you'll sign up for will teach you through easy step-by-step videos and written content, all of which are beginner friendly. And you do not need any technical skills or any prior experience. When needed, you can also upgrade to a premium membership which will unlock all the features of the program. But of course, you can remain a free member for as long as you want. Also, there's a community of successful members available 24/7 on live chat to help you with any questions you have. And that ensures your success. You'll also make a lot of good friends. Plus, there are no secrets kept. Something new that's working in the industry or any new method or something is put down into a video training for all the members. That's cool, right? With these tools and training available in your account, you won't need to go elsewhere to access anything separately. And there's a lot more to it. You're reading that, right? So take action and get started right now for free. Click on the link in the description below this video and get started right away. If it helped, please put your likes and comments on this video and share this video with your friends, family, and anyone you want to help make money online. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye for now.